What's going on, y'all? H&R Homestead, back at it again from the hood to the woods, baby. And we taking that trip, that long drive right now, out to the property. We're gonna do a lot of stuff. We're gonna get that all those piles of straw. We're gonna get that up, knock that out, burn that.
Tell them about the noise.
The noise that you hear in the background is a ladder on the top because
we got a surprise.
We got a surprise.
Surprise.
And so the surprise is the ladder, okay? But we not gonna unfold that until baby and the kids get back. And when they get back, then we'll unfold the surprise. But for right now, you're gonna see me doing a lot of work. So stay tuned. Let's knock it out.
Y'all, we are back out here in the woods because we from the hood and we back in the woods. Anyways, that ain't made sense. Our surprise is we have lights, so when it get dark we can continue to work. We also have cameras. The noise y'all hear in the back is the generator, but I'm gonna show you the camera. I'm trying to get it hooked up without the Wi-Fi, but it have a SIM card to it. So let me turn around. I'm gonna show. So yeah, y'all, we got 4 cameras, and they supposed to be solar. So we'll be able to hook it up. The lights also is solar as well.
Outdoor lights. I definitely like the outdoor lights because we don't have no lights. So when it get dark, we always depend on the fire. But now, this is a game changer. Thank y'all.
So I'm gonna figure out how to finish hooking up these cameras on my phone. So it you could pay for an app, but they do have a free version. Girl, I don't know what's wrong with me today. I can't talk, but they do have a free version that you can also use. So I'm gonna see how it works. I'm not 100% sure. I wish I would have did my research a little bit more better before I even purchase it. But yeah, this motherfucker. Anyways, y'all, we finna get ready to hook up these lights and cameras. Hopefully we get the cameras working. Y'all stay tuned.
Lay your backpack.
Yep, I'm recording now.
I don't get up there?
No, you go hold it out.
Okay. I ain't trying to go too far now. Too far to start now.
Lily, get down. Lily, get down now.
Okay.
That bit a little shaky.
It is.
Hold it, baby. You hold it, baby.
I'm holding it.
Let mommy hold it.
All right, let me put the camera on the stick.
What the? That thing look like
Stop squeezing your butt up like that.
Let's
It goes like this.
Mommy, why his butt look like baby boss? With his little behind.
Hey, now say now, how your people them, how your mama them. Just had to come over here and let you guys know that we also have a H&R Studios where you can go get non-copyrighted mixes. Please check us out. Here come one right here. Enjoy.
I have a theme song for
Let's
and it goes like this.
But no one really wants to hear my story.
Hear the story.
But no one really wants to hear my story. Got a real crazy story about my homegirl and I. I'ma be real honest. We were real good friends, real good friends, real good friends, real good friends, real good friends.
also come, huh? I mean, I'm sorry, y'all. That is
Solar panel light.
one solar panel light that is up. So we have 3 more to go. And then also come with a little itty bitty remote. Isn't it so cute? So we're gonna try it out. Please, like, do not disappoint me. Babe, did you switch the button?
Huh?
Did you turn on the button?
It's 4 different lights. Which light is that?
Oh, so you got 4 different four different remotes?
Look on the remote. They show you. Find out which light is that.
It's like, so you got multiple remotes.
One remote, multiple lights.
Okay, so it don't tell me which.
It's not. Press all of them to see which one it is.
None of them work.
All in the solar.
But then you just turn one on?
It's a.
All right, y'all, so come on, we're gonna go do the other one. All right, y'all, so I figured it out. It's a button to it. Now, when you not here or whatever, it is sensor detected, so whenever somebody walk past, it will come on. Also, when the sun come out, this is the solar panel on the back. But it is, you gotta switch the button. He ain't turn the button on, embarrassing me. So let's try it. See? Oh, let's see. So yeah, we're gonna check it out. Like when it get dark, then you'll get a good view. I hope it's lighted up. Like I need a football field light that is gonna light this whole thing up. We'll be back.
Real good friend.
Are you know?
Then one day she invited me over. And I'm so tired of trying. And I'm so tired of trying.
Yeah.
Having a good old never in a million years have I thought about keeping friends for more than 10 years. Wanna know, I gotta know how to feel for trying to
And if he fall, I'ma catch him.
I want to see what we need to get it started.
Okay.
We'll talk about starting.
That shit don't get loud. Look.
Yeah, not right now while it's light still, but when it get pitch dark out here, that's gonna give you a reference. All of these lights gonna work.
So we're gonna stay out here until it get dark?
We can.
All right, y'all, and this is the third light. We got one more light to put up. To me, the lights didn't get as bright as I thought it was gonna get. I mean, what? I don't know what I expected out of a $40-some pack of lights. I don't know, but I was expecting for that, for it to light up like a football field, honestly. But yeah, but for the money, it did light up pretty good. You'll see it at the end of the video, especially if we want to be out there while we working and stuff like that. It's good. So yeah, y'all keep watching. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button as well. You got to turn it on. Look.
Go straight, baby. Go straight down.
How long recording?
Oh, the last one. We gotta look for that thing for it.
I think, cause you had took it out one time, didn't you?
Daddy, can I watch it?
There comes a time in every man's life when he needs that special someone. And oh, I've been around the world looking for my special someone. I'm singing this one for myself. And I'm asking, is anybody here lonely? Maybe one day I'll be with you. Is anybody lonely? Anybody lonely? 'Cause I'm lonely too. Maybe one day I'll be with you. I've been alone for a long time. Waking up by myself. Cooking my own dinner. Washing my own clothes. Sometimes I lay in the bed at night.
This is the
and I cry myself to sleep. Asking the Lord when I did wrong. I said, Lord, why am I alone? Why am I alone? So this one is dedicated, especially for me. Is there any ladies out there lonely? Is there someone for me? Anybody lonely? Oh, are you lonely? Are you lonely? 'Cause I'm lonely too. Maybe one day I'll be with you. Oh yeah. Anybody lonely? Anybody lonely? Are you lonely? 'Cause I'm lonely too. Maybe one day I'll be with you. Oh yeah. She don't have to be a movie star.
Oh shit.
She don't have to be a fancy girl.
And you can talk.
All right. It's recording?
Yeah.
All right. Thank y'all for watching the whole video. Today was a success. I got a lot of piles, straws burnt today. I got a big, massive pile of wood burnt down today. My wife came back. We put the lights up. This was a successful day. It's beautiful out here. Now we can finally see. I never would have thought about when I was younger and we were on welfare and, you know, things of that nature. We used to, as a little kid, we used to turn the lights on all the time and don't care about it. And now as I get older, I'm starting to see that everything matters. Everything matters. My mom used to be like, turn that light off. Turn that light off. Shouts out to my mama. After that last 2 videos ago that came out, after the last 2 videos that came out, my mama called me. She said, I love the video, but if I see your underwear again, you better go buy a belt, do something, put something on there, but make sure your pants. I said, yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. So that's why y'all ain't see my underwear. That's really why y'all ain't see my underwear in this one right
And
now.
his butt was all smushed up. But
I had that 2-piece.
walk past that light. Y'all, we know we have to get better. Hold on, I'm gonna let y'all see me. So we know that we have to get better lights. We know that this is just temporary right now. We're gonna get way better lights, like football field lights.
But this is a great start, though. This is a great start now.
We
ain't
gonna
not downplay ourselves.
No, we're not gonna downplay ourselves, but we're gonna walk past the lights and let y'all see like how it get pretty bright.
We're gonna walk past one because it's time to go.
Yeah,
it's
it's time
dark.
to go.
You know, we still from the hood, not in the wood. From the wood.
Bye, y'all. Let's walk past. So he gonna walk past that one. Let's see how bright it get. Oh, he didn't even have to walk past all the way. So the sensor worked just that good. He's all the way over here, and the sensor worked just that good. So in my book, yeah, we got to get more, but in my book, that is a 10 out of 10. See y'all in the next video. Bye. Wait, say thank you, H&R family.
Thank you, H&R family. From the hood to the woods, baby.
From the hood to the woods.
Better know that.
This how bright. There's one over there.